If you are looking for PG medical admission in a lower budget private college, and if you don't get seat in Karnataka, then this state is also one good option for you. In this state, one of the premium private colleges there called CMC Vellore, PSG Coimbatore, Villamal. Yes, I am talking about Tamil Nadu State Private Medical College. Tamil Nadu State Private Medical College Round 1 allotment list has been published. Today I will discuss with you the cutoff for different private colleges in Tamil Nadu. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Career Mudra, Bangalore. One of the open state in South India is Tamil Nadu. There are many private medical colleges are there where the fee structure is 15 lakhs per annum approximately. Definitely some of the private colleges are having some others fees also that you have to check with the college which all colleges is having the others fees. But mostly 15 lakhs per annum will be the fee structure in private colleges. Apart from that, CMC Vellore is one of the most premium private college in all over India that also comes under Tamil Nadu State Counseling. Definitely the cutoff of CMC Vellore will be very high and the fee structure is much lower than the private college in Tamil Nadu. So let's start with the cutoff in Tamil Nadu private college. Student, I'll tell you in this video I am giving you the lowest cutoff in Tamil Nadu private college and which college the cutoff stands. For example, I start with MD Radiology. In MD Radiology, according to the Tamil Nadu state rank, the cutoff is 101 and the All India rank of Tamil Nadu state rank 101 is 3067 and the cutoff of this rank in the college is Karpaga. So after this rank, there is no student has got MD Radiology in Tamil Nadu round 1. Hope you understood. So let's take next branch, that is MD Emergency Medicine. In MD Emergency Medicine, Tamil Nadu state rank is 661 and if I convert that state rank to All India rank, it stands 22,407 and the college is again Karpaga Medical College. MD General Medicine, most of the students are looking for PG medical in general medicine. So MD General Medicine in Tamil Nadu management quota cutoff is 610. If I convert it in All India rank, it comes 20,956. The college name is Karpaga Medical College. MD Pediatrics, Tamil Nadu state cutoff is 642. If I convert it in All India rank, it comes 21,982. The college name is Madha Medical College. Next is MS OBG. State cutoff 601. If I convert in the All India rank, 20,692 is the cutoff in Madha Medical College. Next is MS Ortho. 1,339 is the cutoff in MS Ortho in Tamil Nadu where the fee structure is approximately 15 lakhs per annum. If I convert it in All India rank, it is 39,791. MS Ortho cutoff goes very low compared to other state. If the college is Madha Medical College. MS General Secretary, General Surgery, 930 is the state cutoff. If I convert it in the All India cutoff, 29,310 is the All India rank. College is Madha Medical College. MS Ophtha, 1,292. It is the state rank, state cutoff. If I convert in All India cutoff, 38,458. College is Madha Medical College. MSCNT, 1,244. It is the state cutoff rank. If I convert in All India cutoff, then it will be 37,368. College name is Madha Medical College. MD Respiratory Medicine, state cutoff 787 and All India cutoff is 26,167. College is Tagore Medical College. MD Psychiatry, 1,569 is that state rank cutoff. If I convert in All India cutoff, 46,291, Madha Medical College. Last is MD Anesthesia, 1,275. if I convert it in the all India cutoff, 37,967, and college is Madha Medical College. Students, this is all about the cutoff in Tamil Nadu round 1. Now in Tamil Nadu round 1, there is a free exit, but in round 2 onwards there will be having a penalty. So if you see, there are many colleges where the cutoff goes. For example, I'll tell you respiratory medicine, even OBG also, even ortho also. There are many colleges we can expect the cutoff go little down in round 2 onwards, because there will be having some student who has given the choices and they may not take the admissions in this round, but since the next round is a penalty round, so the student who are only looking for admission, they will only give the choices. But definitely radiology, 1067, the student who has taken radiology, it may not shift in highly in the round 2. Whereas if I see in the general medicine also, cutoff may not shift because it is already 20,946. Same like pediatrics also 21,000. So these all cutoffs we cannot expect much shift in Tamil Nadu State Counseling. After the all India round 2, definitely Tamil Nadu round 2 will happen. So that time you have to again do the choice filling in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, one very important part of the counseling is that before round 2 choice filling, you again have to do the registration. If you don't do registration in Tamil Nadu, you will not be allowed for choice filling. Means the student who had already registered in round 1, they have to do again choice filling registration in round 2. So please keep it in your mind if you are looking for round 2 counseling in Tamil Nadu. Hope this information will be helpful for you in time of the round 2 choice filling in Tamil Nadu. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any comment or any suggestion, you can give your valuable comment in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching my video.